In this video, I will show you how to block YouTube channels in 2026. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to stop unwanted channels from appearing in your recommendations, clean up your YouTube feed, and make your homepage show more of the videos you actually want to watch. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now, to get started with this, as you can see, I'm here on the YouTube homepage. So what you want to do is head across to youtube.com, and once you've done that, you want to find a video from the channel that you want to block. So what I'm going to do is take this one as an example. Now, if you look next to the video title, you're going to see these three dots. And if you give that a click, you're going to get a menu come up like this. You can see there's an option here to not recommend the channel. Give that a click, and as you can see, it says we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. What you can also do if you are seeing a lot of videos from topics that you're not really interested in. So for example, if I take this video as an example, again, if you click onto the three dots next to the video title, you're going to see a option called not interested. Now, if you actually give that a click, that actually tells the YouTube algorithm that you're not interested in that kind of topic, and you'll find that channels that produce that kind of content will no longer be recommended to you as much. So that is how to block YouTube channels. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.